Hello students, today we will going to discuss rational number chapter 9 of class 7. Aims and objectives of the chapter are to know about rational numbers, to learn about equivalent rational numbers, to find standard form of rational numbers, to understand the addition and subtraction of rational numbers. This is the book you have to open. Dictionary. Natural numbers. All positive integer like 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. Whole numbers. All natural numbers including 0 are whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Integers. All negative and positive numbers including 0 are called integer. Example, -1, 0, 2. This is the mind mapping. So, here under the rational number, there are two things, integer and fraction. An integer consider the negative integer, 0 and positive integer. Rational number. So, rational numbers are the numbers that can be expressed in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q cannot be equal to 0. It includes all the natural, whole and fractions and integers. Equivalent rational number. By multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator of a rational number by the same integer, we can obtain another rational number equivalent to the given rational number. Numbers are said to be equivalent if they are proportionate to each other. Example, here the example is this: 4 by 8 when we divide the numerator and denominator by 2 as well, and we will get 2 by 4. Hence, 2 by 4 is equivalent to 4 by 8. Rational number in standard form. So let's see this. A rational number is in the standard form if its denominator is a positive integer and there is no common factor between the numerator and denominator. So first step is we have to make the denominator positive, and the second one, their common factor will be 1 only. If any given rational number is not in the standard form, then we can reduce it to its standard form or lowest form by dividing its numerator and denominator by their HCF, ignoring its negative sign. So let's see the example. Find the standard form of 12 by 18. Here we can divide both numerator and denominator by 6 because its common factor is 6 also. So when we get divided it, we will get 2 by 3. And 2 by 3 is the standard form, or we can say simplest form of 12 by 18. Now, how to find rational number between rational numbers? To find the rational number between two rational numbers, we have to make their denominator same. Then we can find the rational number. Example, find the rational number between 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. To find the rational number between 3 by 5 and 3 by 7, we have to make their denominator same. So, to make the denominator same, we have to find the LCM. So, what is the LCM of 5 and 7? That is 35. Now, to make denominator 35, what we will do? We will multiply denominator with, in the first one, we will multiply denominator with 7. If I multiply 7 to the denominator, I will multiply 7 to the numerator as well. So it becomes 20 by 35. In the second one, this is 3 by 7. If I have to make the denominator 35, we have to multiply it with the 5. So if I multiply 5 with the denominator, we have to multiply 5 in numerator also. So we will get 15 by 35. Hence we can find the rational number between them now. This is 16 by 35, 17 by 35, 18 by 35, 19 by 35 and 20 by 35. So adding integers in symbolic form. So there is this additive identity. When we add a plus 0 is equals to a. Commutative property, a plus b is equals to b plus a. Means when we change the order, there is no change in the answer. Associative property, a plus b plus c will be equals to a plus b under bracket b plus c. So when we are making grouping, changing the grouping, then there is no change in the integers in addition. So adding rational number. So how to add rational number? For example, 7 by 10 plus minus under bracket minus 3 by 10 is there. So sign is different. So subtract sign of large. Subtract, and we have to subtract them and put the sign of larger digit. So answer will be 4 by 10 because 7 minus 3 is 4 and denominator will be remain same and sign of the greater digit. Okay, now we have to do the simplest form of it. So it is 2 by 5. Now another example, minus 4 by 12 plus minus 5 by 12. So now add them because plus minus 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 plus. So 4 plus 5 will be 9 and the sign of the greater digit again. So it will be 9 by 12. Okay. Now we have to make the denominator positive in the standard form. So it becomes minus 9 by 12. Or we have to find the simplest form of this. It will become minus 3 by 4. Now another one, minus 5 by 6 plus 3 by 4. So we have to find the LCM first. The LCM will be 6, 12. Hence we have to multiply the numerator and denominator as well. So it becomes 5 will be multiplied by 2 and 3 will be multiplied by 3. So 5 2s are 10 and 3 3s are 9. So it will be 10 by 12 plus 9 by 12. So when we solve it, minus plus minus and sign of the greater digit, we will get minus 12 by 1 by 12. Now another one, minus 7 by 8 plus minus 9 by 10. Here again the denominators are different. So we have to find the LCM first. So this is 40. So we have to first, when we have to make the 840, we have to multiply it by 5. So we will multiply the denominator as well and numerator as well with the 5. We will get minus 35 by 40. In the second one, this one, we have to multiply with 4. So we will get minus 36 by 40. Now denominator remains same and we will solve them. So it becomes minus 71 upon 40. Now added inverse. Two numbers whose sum is 0. So 8 and minus 8 will be 0. Minus 3 and 3 will be 0. And 0 and 0 will be 0. Subtracting rational number. Now how to subtract rational numbers? So as you can see, their denominators are different. So we will find the LCM. So to make the 8 in the first one, you have to make it 8 in the denominator. So we have to multiply it with 1. So we will get the answer minus 3 by 8. In the second one, we have to make the denominator 8. We have to multiply it with the 2. So we will get the minus 2 by 8. Now we will solve them. Keep adding. So minus minus plus. So 3 plus 2 will be 5, and sign of the greater digit, it will become minus 5 by 8. Now subtract them, find the answer. The answer is minus 16 by 21. And this is the assignment. You have to solve at home. Thank you.